Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. With the name of Allah, who is very kind and merciful. Welcome to babacambridgesolution.com. On this website, you will find the solution of Cambridge International AS and A level and O level. Today, I shall give overview of the topic quadratics in Mathematics 9709 paper 1. Let's start for the overview of the quadratic topic. First of all, what is the quadratic expression? A quadratic expression is algebraic expression of degree 2. The general form is ax square plus bx plus c, where a is not equal to 0 and a, b, c are real. The example of the quadratic expression are x square plus 5x plus 6. A quadratic expression is obtained when a quadratic equation is obtained when a quadratic expression is set equal to 0, like ax square plus bx plus c. In quadratic equation, we have a discriminant which is equal to b square minus 4ac. The discriminant is used in order to find out the nature of the roots, like if d is greater than 0, then two distinct real roots, d is equal to 0, two equal roots, and d less than 0 is no real roots. Let's explain this by some question. Question number 1 is find the value of k if the equation x square minus kx plus 9 equal to 0 has equal roots. We know that roots are equal when discriminant is equal to 0, like b square minus 4 is equal to 0. By putting the value of a, b and c after simplification, we get k equal to 6. Now in the question 2, find the value of k for which x square minus kx plus 4 equal to 0 has no real roots. We know that quadratic equation has no real roots when b square minus 4ac less than 0. By putting the value of a, b, c after simplification, we get minus 4 less than equal to k, k less than 4. So the interval of the k for this equation, quadratic equation. Now the question is how we shall access the more than 50 question about the quadratic equation. First of all, you have in the step 1, you have to access the website babacambridgesolution.com. After that in the step 2, you will click on the login register link on the top right corner. When you click on this, you will find the interface like this one. You will click on the sign up button. You will click on the sign up link, as you can see that on the screen. When you click on the sign up link, you will get this interface. You will provide the username, password and email address and password for the sign up. After this, you will click on the sign up. You will automatically log into the website, or you can use user password to log in on this website like this one. When you click on the login, you will find out this one. Then on the website in the course section, click on the course list. You will find the different course list like this one. On the top right category, you will select the category in which you find out the course of your choice. After this, you will click on the preview course button. When you click on the preview button, you will find this interface. First of all, you will click on the add to the cart. After that, you will click on the buy now. When you click on the buy now, you will find this interface. You will select the Stripe or EasyPaisa according to your choice. After that, you will provide the credential for the Stripe and click on the submit button. When you click on the submit button, after that on the top right corner, you will click on the order history. When you click on the order history, you will find this one. You will find this interface. When you find this interface, you will click on the item link. When you click on the item link, you will find this interface. In the course content, you will find the two icons. One is about the PDF and other is about the video icon. When you click on the PDF icon, you will download the PDF solution, and when you click on the video icon, you will click download the video. So in this way, you will download all the courses from the website. Best of luck. See you in the next course of this.